one of the great American treasures, the queen of all steamboats, the Delta Queen.
2026 marks the 100th birthday of the Delta Queen, America's river cruising legend. With the very kind permission of her owners, I spent a full day on board Delta Queen at her current layup berth in Houma, Louisiana, in February of 2026. She's been there since 2015, awaiting her next chapter. In addition to a watchman who lives aboard, she's well guarded by water moccasins and alligators. Indeed, Houma is a harsh environment for any boat with its searing heat and humidity, but I can say that even though she needs a little TLC, she's still fully intact and completely viable for restoration as a floating hotel and museum, or perhaps in a better world, a return to cruising. I'll be doing a detailed video about my visit, and will also include footage I shot of my first visit to her in 1996, when her paddle wheel was iced over, as well as footage from my one and only cruise on her from St. Louis to Cincinnati in 2006. Here she is with her much lamented fleet mate Mississippi Queen at St. Louis. No one knew at that time that the Mississippi Queen would soon be retired and eventually scrapped. For that nostalgic week along the Ohio River, there was no shortage of steam. Some might argue that the Calliope sounded best from the riverbanks, and they might have a point, but it was part of the essential Delta Queen experience. I look forward to delving into this legendary steamboat's fascinating history and taking you on a full top-to-bottom tour, then and now. In the meantime, wishing Delta Queen a bright and prosperous future. We can't afford to lose her.